Have you ever stumbled upon these little free library stalls on the road? Let me know in the comments below. In this video, we will share with you on how you can get books at these little free library kiosks, and yes, these are free. The primary concept of little free libraries is simple. Take a book, leave a book. This encourages the sharing of books within the community, making literature accessible to all. Regardless of socioeconomic status, the idea is that anyone can contribute to the library by leaving a book they've enjoyed, and anyone can borrow a book they find interesting. Little free libraries provide a community-wide driven solution to the common challenges of finding new books by removing cost barriers, increasing accessibility, and fostering a culture of sharing and discovery. They help ensure that everyone has the opportunity to enjoy reading regardless of their circumstances.
What is up, mga Repa Peeps? We don't buy books here in Canada, or specifically in Nova Scotia. We get free books, but there's a catch, of course. Through the little free library, you need to exchange your existing books to those small stalls that are installed everywhere in Nova Scotia, and then just so of course for ethical sake, if you are going to get 3 books, you need to exchange also or put 3 books as well. So if you are finished reading it, then find another stall, and then if there are interesting books on those stalls, then just exchange your existing books. It's so fun, and you don't have to spend anything because you just need to exchange your existing books for the books that you want to read. So they are just everywhere. To be honest, we don't know the exact stalls, so we just saw these small stalls around every time we run, and then we look at those stalls, open it, and then if we find books that are interesting, then we exchange our books. So what we did today is we had there were a couple of books that we want to read, and then so we exchanged it with our existing books. So, but of course, prior to that, where we got our books initially, they were given by friends. We also got them through a friend of a friend. So there were a lot of sources where we got those books. And again, we didn't buy those books that we have that we had previously. All of them are free. So we were able to get free books here in Nova Scotia. So like barely, we didn't pay anything.